Hello everyone! Welcome to our one-off workshop, Monster Under the Couch. So at Story Factory, we're really interested in giving you the tools and techniques to improve creative writing.
Story Factory Digital are the team that run online workshops for students all around the country. We offer free workshops for lots of different types of schools.
Do we have some monster names we might want to shout out?
Tiny Feather.
Oh, that sounds like a really friendly monster.
Story Factory Digital offer one-off workshops or 3-week-long programs, all delivered online. All of our programs are curriculum aligned, but importantly, they're also very, very fun.
I can see some swaying, I can see some flapping.
Our programs are really great for teachers because they're easy to apply for, they're free. We design the workshops and the high-quality resources, and this frees up teachers to work alongside their students, have fun, and celebrate the writing.
I think the digital version is useful for the classroom because it's much easier just to have your room and have the lesson presented straight away with your kids right here. So I think the accessibility makes it wonderful.
It's really fun. My favourite part was that we got to do writing.
It was my favourite class of the day because it was really fun and I got to escape maths too.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot more about similes.
I really want to tell my friends later that this was the best lesson of the day, and they'll probably get jealous.
It made me feel happy and joyful.
See you later guys, have a wonderful day.
And also that was very fun.
Join primary and secondary teachers all across Australia. Book your free writing workshop today at storyfactorydigital.org.au.